Hoping that everything you are doing is moving on very well. I do welcome you back to our Palm Hopes Foundation Elite Schools. And in this computer practical skills for all, we are going to be learning about skills are we going to be learning in this video or our learning goals. Number one goal we are going to be learning is that we are going to be describing why computers are important. Describing why computers are important. Why do you think computers are important, or why do you need to learn computing? Then we are going to also be learning that about explaining how computers work, explaining how computers work as our number two. Then number three, we are going to be learning about explaining the difference between computer hardware and computer software, computer hardware and computer software. Then we are also going to be learning about describing what an operating system is. What do you think is an operating system? Then we are going to also continue and identify the operating system you have on your own computer and phone, such that after learning you will be able to identify the operating system your computer is running on, or your phone is running on, or is using. Then explain office productivity and communication software. So in this video we are going to also be learning on how to use this office, how to use these communication softwares. Then start up and shut down computers properly. We are going to be looking at how to start up and shut down a computer properly, or using the correct procedures. Then we are also having another learning goal, which is use the mouse and keyboard to complete tasks on the keyboard. In that we are going to be looking at how to use a mouse, how to use a keyboard when interacting with the computer softwares and the computer hardware. Then we are going to identify the different groups of keys on the computer. That is keyboard. So we are going to learn about all those different keys found on the keyboard. Then we are going to create, open, save, and manage files and folders. We create a folder, we create a file, we open those created files and folders, we save these created files and folders, and at the same time we learn how to manage these already created files and folders. So let's continue down here. We are going to be learning on why is it important to know how to use a computer. Why is it important to know how to use a computer? Why do you think it's important to you to know how to use a computer? So we can say that computers are everywhere and everyone is using them. Computers in our cars, computers in our kitchens, our stores, and in our workplaces, meaning that computers are actually everywhere. Everywhere you can find a computer. Using a computer, so they are used to communicate, to play, and to make everyday tasks easier. That is one of the importance, actually the major importance of why we are using computers, of all why we need to learn the importance of computers. Then using a computer and the internet to help you to keep in touch with friends and family. That is easing the communication, whereby you can easily communicate with someone, a family member, and the work or what you wanted to do is done in that particular moment. Then you will also be able to complete common tasks more quickly. Computers can help you pay bills or find information on a health or other topics, meaning that you can use computers to learn about or to make research, or to can help you to pay bills, for example, water bills, electricity bills, and others. Then we are saying that we are saying that here, computers also, computers can also help you reach goals like finding a job and improving your career. So my dear friend, this is what we are going to be learning in this computer basics for us all to learn. So my dear friend, I hope that you should stay here, continue to like, continue to subscribe, and let us call others to do the sharing to learn all these basics of computers.